Hi guys, this is Tithi and welcome back to another Friday video. First of all, in today's video, I will be showing you guys my favorite weekly at home face mask routines, face mask remedies, आप लोग कह सकते हो. So let's just get into it. Also guys, it can be used for both boys and girls, so mention it. So without further losing a minute, let me take you through it. I have been using this mask since my childhood. I have learned this from my mom, my nanny. So now let's get into it, guys. So I'm going to show you all my favorite 5 home remedies. I have been using this since my childhood, so I'm very sure about it. So let's just get into it. First one is my personal favorite. It's the easiest one. You can use it twice in a week. So all you need is a tomato. It's my most favorite face remedy. So what I like to do is I cut the tomato in 2 halves like this, and then with 1 half I'll apply it all over my face and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. So let's just do it, guys. So take the tomato and apply it all over your face and squeeze it a little bit. I love applying tomatoes. It's my most personal favorite one. Just squeeze a little bit and in circular motion apply the tomato. Now tomato helps to get rid of the clogged pores जिससे आपको acne होता है. Tomato helps to brighten your skin, helps to make your skin glowy. So we want glowy skin. I just love glowy dewy skin, so I love applying it. Tomato also help you to get rid of blackheads, whiteheads. You can also apply it in your neck. Tomato are my favorite. So I have just washed my face and guys, you can see the glow. Also after this you can moisturize your face if you feel your skin looking a little bit of dry or itchy. Now next home remedy is curd and lemon, that is dahi and nimbu. So I have take some dahi over here and this is a normal brush. I have take 1 lemon. So you'll take 3 to 4 tablespoons of dahi and 1 this type of cube of lemon and you squeeze it and mix it well, then apply it. And actually this combination is amazing, guys. It's my mom's favorite. And you apply it and leave it for 15 minutes, then wash it off with normal water. I like to apply this mask when I go for a party or any special occasion. This improves complexion. This helps to brighten, dahi helps to brighten your skin. Also dahi contains lactic acid and lemon contains citric acid, so it's very helpful for your skin. आजकल मुझे एसिड के बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा पता चल रहा है. So it helps to brighten your skin, guys, and also lemon helps to make your skin glowy, dewy, dewy. Apply it generously, then leave it for 15 minutes and then wash it off with lukewarm water या फिर normal water. You can also apply it on your neck, guys. So I'll apply it and leave it for good 10 minutes, then I'll come back. So I have just washed my face and you can see how instantly it brightens my skin, and you can see also the glow. So it's really helpful, guys, and it's my mom's most favorite face mask. So for the besan mask, you need all the ingredients like 3 to 4 tablespoons of besan. Now mix it with 2 tablespoons of dahi, a pinch of turmeric and 1 tablespoon of rose water. I am using Good Vibes Rose Toner. Now this face mask is amazing for oily skin because it controls oil and sebum production. And why I have added rose water, because rose water balances pH, hence good for acne and sensitive skin. You can see the consistency. It's not too thick, not too thin. You have to apply, you have to mix it well and then apply it all over your face, then leave it for good 15 to 20 minutes and then you are done. And for dry skin, so besan really helps to control their oil. For that I want to add one thing. For dry skin people, you can add any aloe vera gel. I am using Mamaearth aloe vera turmeric gel. इसमें aloe vera भी है plus turmeric भी है, तो ये बहुत फायदेमंद है. So I'll take just one pump of the product and mix it well. So you can apply this mask once in a week, but not more than that because it's not required. बहुत ठंडा है. मैं हमेशा कम लेने की कोशिश करती हूँ, बट इंग्रेडिएंट्स ज़्यादा हो जाती है. ये मैंने अपनी नानी से सीखा है. वो हमेशा मुझे ये लगाती थी जब भी मुझे कोई पिंपल वगैरह आता था. और मेरा स्किन सेंसिटिव भी है लेकिन उतना ऑयली नहीं है, ड्राई हो जाता है. सो इसलिए मैंने एलोवेरा जेल ऐड किया. इट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स इन रिमूविंग टैन बिकॉज इट हैज़ बेसन एंड टर्मरिक इन इट. सो आई हैव अप्लाई इट and I'm just going to leave it for good 10 minutes, then I'll come back. So I have just washed my face and you can see the glow and you can see how instantly it brightens my skin. So you can use it once in a week, not more than that guys. And now next face mask, that is the tan removal face mask. So all you need is 2 tablespoons of multani mitti, a little bit of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of rice powder. Sorry guys, I have added maida in this face mask already. And next I will add 2 tablespoons of milk, and then I will add a little bit of honey. Now we have to mix this pack well. I'll mix it and then I'll apply it all over my face and leave it for 15 minutes. This is a skin whitening या फिर tan removal face pack आप लोग कह सकते हो. So I mixed it well and you have to make a thick paste, like not too thin consistency, like this consistency, and then apply it all over your face and leave it for good 10 minutes. So I'm ready and now I'm applying the mask. A little bit goes a long way. So it helps in reducing tan. Multani mitti is antibacterial, so it helps in fighting, in combating acne problems. If you have pimple, then just use the multani mitti over the pimple area and it will dry in few days and you will get rid of acne. It will also helps in pigmentation problems, like if you have dark spots of acne like me, then it also helps to reduce that also. So I have applied it and I'll let it dry for good 15 minutes and then wash it off with water, lukewarm water, and then I will come back guys. Now the next home mask is face mask. You have to take, all you need 1 tablespoon and a half tablespoon of dahi, 1 tablespoon of wheat flour, 1/4 cube of lemon, and mix it well. So this is a dark spot reducing, brown spot reducing, pigmentation, and for pimple This helps to reduce all that, this mask. And then you have to mix honey in it and mix it well. Mixed it well. You can see this is a smooth paste, and then I'll apply it all over my face. You can see lemon and curd, this combination is amazing, really is. Thanda, thanda, thanda. And leave it for good 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off with normal water. So you can see the glow, guys. I have washed my face and it's so relaxing and my skin feels so plump and hydrated. So these are all the home remedies. These are the 5 home remedies that I follow, that I use when I have to go to an event or any occasion, special occasion. And don't forget to apply moisturizer after applying the home remedies face mask. So when you like to pamper your skin, you can use this, any of these home remedies face mask according to your skin type. Disclaimer, guys, if you have sensitive skin, acne prone skin, then please do a patch test over here before applying to your full face. Also, don't forget, it can be used for both boys and girls. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.